Okay, so you've now downloaded your APK, you're ready to install it. You go to the Glasses app management in the toolbox on your Rokid Glasses, and then you're going to need to find it. There's various ways of doing that, but the basic concept is it's going to ask you either to type in a name or to search for it. In my case, I just search for APK, which seems to be the easiest way of doing it. So install a new app. It says, okay, can't be any more than 300 megabytes. And you say, okay, I understand it. Go choose a file. You can say, don't remind you again. This is what you get. You can type it in where it says search a device. As you can see, APKs. So the APK that I downloaded was Firefox. Tap it. It tells you what permissions and other things it's going to need. You just click OK, and it normally doesn't take too long. Hopefully you can see it's 58 meg just over. As I say, the Opera browser was nearly 300 meg, 280 something or other, and it's as simple as that. It goes across and it will install on the glasses. Now, please bear in mind that some APKs will not work with some versions of Android. So if it doesn't work, try find a different version. Firefox did not work, as you will see when I actually show you me trying to use it on the glasses. So again, you use this, click on the minus to remove something, and away you go. But generally speaking, if it works, it works. If not, try again. If it still doesn't work, then wait until there's a better way of doing it, is my suggestion. But there we are. It's progress.